really consider checking out Bavsound. It's gonna be a huge sound difference, I believe, right off the bat. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're here with the F31 and we'll be finishing up the Stage 1 Bavsound speaker upgrade. Unfortunately, this wagon has the hi-fi sound system, so it only has the pretty much the entry-level one where you only get 7 speakers versus the Harman Kardon, which I believe you get 14. But even if you had the Harman Kardon, you should still consider upgrading to the Bavsound Stage 1, because I did it in my E90 with the Harman Kardon and it made a huge difference. So let's get started. Here's everything that comes with the Bavsound Stage 1 upgrade for the hi-fi. If your car is equipped with the hi-fi sound system, you get 1 center channel, 2 tweeters, and then you get 4 mid-range speakers. So it'll give you 2 in the front and then the 2 rear mid-range speakers in the back as well. This is a factory speaker. Look at that. Like, it doesn't even compare to the Bavsound. Check this out. This is what we'll be replacing it with. I mean, huge difference as far as, you know, build quality. Like, even look at them. Look at the magnet. It's gonna be a huge sound difference, I believe, right off the bat. Now we have the Bavsound replacement speaker. Now let's get to work on the tweeter. Here's the factory one. This is the center channel that we will be replacing it with. So much better. So it's pretty simple. You literally just, you know, run through your wires and then line it up, and that's it. See? Well guys, that's gonna conclude today of the Stage 1 Bavsound speaker upgrade in my 328D wagon, also known as the F31 chassis. Really consider checking out Bavsound. They have everything from minis to the Toyota Supra, I mean BMW, let's be honest, and as well as any BMW pretty much on the market. And you just put in your you know, what model you have, what stereo you have, and on their website will give you everything that's available for your car. And I mean, you can't beat the quality. Quality is bar none, especially compared to these factory speakers. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. Consider subscribing and like this video. Have a good one.